How to make a beautiful key fob, key ring, keychain from the Paracord using the snake and the Cobra knots. So if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord project, stay tuned because tutorial is just around the corner. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Today we're gonna use this black Paracord 550, also this gold one 550, and this keyring. So first we're gonna take the ends of our cords and pull them together like so, and here we have the center of black and gold strand. Now from here we're gonna start. We're gonna take our black and we're gonna cross it on top of the gold, then around, creating the loop, and by doing this we finish the half way through the snake knot. Now we're gonna take our gold, pass it under the black strand, and we're gonna return it from the top into the loop like so. Now we're gonna pull it to tie in the knot, secure it, and then we're gonna proceed. So here we have the first snake knot done. Now we're gonna create 9 more from this end and 10 from other end. So black on top of the gold, around and to the back like so. Now the gold strand under the black, around and from the top into the loop. So here we have the 10 snake knots from this end. Now we're gonna turn it like this and start weaving the other 10 snake knots to this side. Take the black, place it on top of the gold, make it around, create the loop, and now we're gonna take the gold. We're gonna pass it under the black and from the top into the loop, and we're gonna continue. If you want to learn how to make this beautiful watch strap or watch band, check our channel tomorrow and you will have the full tutorial how to create this beautiful watch strand or watch band. So here we are, we finished our 20 snake knots in total. Now we're gonna continue. If you wanna have the gold color to be the outer and the black to be the inner, you'll just need to proceed and create the cobra knots on top of this. And if you want to change it, simply turn the sides, create a circle, and then proceed. So from here we're gonna take our keyring and we're gonna insert our black paracord through our keyring. You can choose the length from the snake knots circle to the keyring, or you can simply add few more snake knots from the both sides equal and you will have the bigger loop. I'm gonna stick with the 10 from the each side. And simply cross the black on top of the two strands of a black, and when we pull it together like so, we'll have the equal length from the each side. So I need to pull this one a bit more, and now as you can see we have the equal length from the both sides. So from here, as you can see, we created the 4-strand core with our black cords. Now we're gonna take the gold, the right side gold, and we're gonna place it on top of that 4-strand black, and then with the left side gold on top of the right side gold under the 4-strand black cords core, and then through the loop on the right. So the simple and the basic cobra knot. Now pull it to make it tight, cinch it, secure it, and proceed. If you need to adjust the length from the snake knots to the keyring, you can simply pull the two inner black cords, and here as you can see we have the shorter length from the snake knots to the keyring. Now we're gonna proceed. So the left strand gold on top of the 4-strand core, then the right side gold under the 4-strand core and through the loop on the left. Right on top of the core strands, left on top of the right under the core strands and through the loop on the right side. Now from here we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord and melt it down. So here we are, our key fob or a keychain is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon in the next tutorial.